Okay. Each statement below a good definition, if not explained? Well, remember, it needs to be reversible. So look at number 25. We can say, if an animal is a red wolf, then it is an endangered animal, or then it is endangered. Okay? That might be true. But what's the reverse of that? The reverse of that is, if an animal is endangered, then it is a red wolf. Not necessarily. White rhinos are endangered, right? So it's got to be reversible, excuse me. And in this particular case, it's not necessarily true. We have a counterexample for it, the white rhino. Okay, so I'm going to just put, I'll just type here, no, it's not reversible. Um, the white rhino is also endangered. Okay, now, a compass is a geometric tool. Well, that's true. But let's reverse it. Okay, you could say, if it is a compass, then it is a geometric tool. But what's the reverse of that? What is the converse of that? The converse of that is, if it is a geometric tool, then it is a compass. Well, not necessarily. It could be a protractor. Okay, so we can say, oops, where do I write it? We can say, no, it's not reversible. When I say no, we say what we mean is it's not a good definition. No, it's not reversible. A compass is a geometric tool. Okay? Because it's not an if and only if situation. And let's say it as an if and only if biconditional to examine it. An animal is a red wolf. Let's say an animal is an endangered animal if and only if it is a red wolf. And that doesn't work. A tool is a geometric tool if and only if it is a compass. That would suggest that the only geometric tools that exist are compasses. Okay. Oh, and I wrote a compass. Sorry about that. I wanted to say a protractor, so I'm glad that I caught that. A protractor is a geometric tool. Okay, that's better. Yep.